Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Today is Quick and Easy Day. It is Thursday, and for those of you who don't know, I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So it's Quick and Easy Day today, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and please comment because this helps my channel tremendously, and thank you in advance for that. I noticed again that a lot of you are not subscribed, but please subscribe if you're watching me regularly because there is more than 50% that are not subscribed, so please subscribe because it helps my channel. All right, enough of that. All right, so today's project, I'm going to make this little girl, but these are Matchbook Treat holders, but they are extra large. So this one opens like this. I have 4 Mercy chocolates in here, and you can put a lot of things in here. This one, it says life is better. They all say life is better with friends like you because I am using this adorable By My Side stamp set, and I used all 3 of the little people on here. I don't know. Anyway, this one opens and it has 2 M&Ms, the mini M&Ms package. You could put 1 more in here even for that. And then this one, I had to do the boy because we need one for a boy too. This one I stamped directly on here. This one I used the die for that. And I did use the larger die for him because he was a bigger image. And so this one has some extra gum. You can put so much different things in these because they're so large. So those are just 3 little ideas on the one I do today. I'm going to do her because I love her. She reminds me of me with the curly hair. But anyway, I'm going to do this. I'm changing up the colors so you can see another idea. So on this one, I am going to use Calypso Coral, and I am using the same designer paper I used for this one, which is, I love this, and it's a Wash and Beauty. It's super pretty. So this is the designer series paper I'm using. You can use just about any side for this one. I'm going to use this pattern because I thought it was so cute. And this came from that same one. And then the other one, it came from this host pack, which is called Design a Daydream. And this is huge. If you spend $150, you can get this one with your host rewards. So this is a really good one. Lots of really good patterns. And these 2 are from that. All right. And then the stamp sets that we're using. This is the By My Side. Isn't that cute? You can use any sentiment. You can use any of these sentiments on here. They're really cute. But I did use all 3 of these because I thought they were so cute. And then for the grass on him, I just thought he needed a little grass. I used the Happy Hedgehog, just telling you. Because if you have this one, you can use that. Or if you have any other grass that are in any of your stamp set, just use that one. These are the stylish shapes. This is what I'm using for this part here and for the little girl. And on the boy, I use this larger one. And on the girl, I am using this one right here, which is the 2.5-inch square. And then I'm using the banner here, which I'm going to use the banner on the one that I do today. All right, let's get started. I am going to stamp the little girl first and do our sentiment. And I am going to fast forward through the coloring because I've shown a lot of the coloring. I do very simple coloring. I am not a pro, so if you want to see that, I have a lot of videos that I have colored and not have sped up. And then we're going to do this one on here. Life is better with friends like you. These are great for party favors or, you know, like little thank yous. There's a lot of things you can do with these. All right, so what I'm going to use for this, I am going to use for the Butterfly Light and Dark Pool Party. I am using for her dress this time the Calypso Coral because that's the color cardstock. For her face, we have some new colors. They are all like flesh tones. So I'm using SU 900 and Ivory for her. But there's a big wide range of them. They are in our annual catalog. And these two are actually two of the ranges, but I'm going to use it for her hair, the SU 300 and SU 600, and for her cheeks I'm using light polished pink. All right, so I am going to speed this up as I color. Okay, so there's our little girl. I'm going to grab the cut and emboss, and we are going to run these through with our dies. So we are going to use our square for her, and then this one. And this fits very tight, so if you use this one, just be a little bit aware of that. And there's our sentiment and our little sweet little girl. All right, let's set those aside and make our matchbox, our matchbook. Okay, so we need to score this, and we're going to score it on the 8 3/4 inch side because this is 8 3/4 by 4. My inspiration sheet will be on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com, where you can print and download that. So we're going to do it at 1, 1 1/2, 5, and 5 1/2. Super, super easy and quick. You can make a lot of these really fast. I'm going to sharpen these all. And then we are going to mat it. The matting piece is 3 7/8 by 3. Just using my Stampin' Seal. I love this pattern. It's so cute. And then this is going to just go across here. This piece is 1/2 by 4. And then we are going to put on our sentiment on the bottom. And then I'm going to grab my Merci chocolates. This is how I keep them in here. I just put a little bit of Stampin' Seal here. You can use the plus or the regular, and then just place your Merci here, or whatever candy you're going to use for this. And then what I do is I will put a little bit right down at the bottom here. You can put it a little bit up further, but just make sure you leave a little bit so this will tuck under here, and then just pull that up, and then this will slide under here. Sometimes I just pick it up like that, and then I can press it down here. All right, so that's that. And now I'm going to use dimensionals for the back of her to pop her up. And this is another way that it'll help to keep your matchbook. I want to keep saying matchbox, but it's a book. And we are going to put that right here, and you can put it, just overlap it right there on here, and then you can and when you do that, you should make sure your piece is all the way down. I'm going to do that again. Let's put that back on there, and make sure this is as far down as you want it, and then you can put this on here like that. Just like that. And that's it. It's that quick and easy. Isn't that neat? It's so fun, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies for this, I have my new host code because it's a new month. I have it on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com, and you can shop right from my blog. So there are all of them. Aren't they so cute? Isn't it a fun one? I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. Thank you for watching, and Have a blessed day. I'll see you later, everyone. Bye.